What's going on, fellow investor? For today's tutorial, we're going to be going over how to purchase Bitcoin on Cash App and how to fund your account or send Bitcoin to anybody you like. To send Bitcoin, first you must own Bitcoin, and to own Bitcoin, you must have funds in your Cash App account. So what you want to do is click the squiggly line down there in the right hand corner. And from this screen, you want to click Bitcoin. Then you want to scroll down and click buy. Now enter the amount you want to purchase. After you've entered the amount, tap next and it's going to bring you to the confirmation screen. Check to make sure everything's right, then tap confirm. Now that you own Bitcoin, let's go over how to send it. From the home page, tap Bitcoin. Tap withdraw, then drag the screen up. At this point, whatever deposit slip was created by the broker or the person you're sending the Bitcoin to, you want to enter the address exactly to the T. Then press next. Once you send, wait for the confirmations to go through the blockchain and your Bitcoin should be sent to your brokerage account or the person you're sending your Bitcoin to. For more tips and how-to tutorials on investing, subscribe to our YouTube page and don't forget to visit www.bpgrinc.com.